Okay, here we have the tubes connected into the back of the Aqua Dome Water Guardian. What I have here is just a very small pen screwdriver with a flat tip. Hopefully the focus will stay in place. So use this flat tip screwdriver to hold down the collar. Hopefully the focus will stay there. And so you see, you hold down the collar here with the screwdriver and you can insert it back in there. So take that, hold down the collar, and the same with the bottom, although this one's a little bit more difficult. You have to kind of work at both sides of this one. So hopefully that will alleviate problems for your customer.